In this segment, we'll show you how to assemble your new AgriFab 30-inch push lawn sweeper. Begin by aligning the left and right side braces, parts 6 and 7, with the cross brace tubes, part 5. Next, fully secure them with 4 5/16 by 1 1/4 inch hex bolts, part P, and 4 .312 18 nylon hex nuts, part F. Now align the hopper bag, part 8, and secure the Velcro straps through the slots. Then align the lower kickstand tube, part 3, with the sweeper housing, part 11, and fully secure it with 2 5/16 by 1 1/2 inch hex bolts, part G, and 2 .312 18 nylon hex nuts, part F. Then repeat on the other side. Next, slide a medium washer, part E, followed by a small spacer, part J, onto a 5/16 by 1 1/4 inch hex bolt, part P. Then insert the assembly through the height adjustment strap, part B. Next, slide on a large spacer, part Q. Now insert the assembly through the sweeper housing and secure it with a .312 18 nylon hex nut, part F. Then align the height adjustment handle, part A, and fully secure it with 2 5/16 by 1 inch carriage bolts, part L, and 2 .312 18 nylon hex nuts, part F. Next, slide on the height adjustment grip, part O. Now insert the 5/16 by 1 inch carriage bolt, part K. Then slide on a 3/8 inch external tooth washer, part S. Next, align the height adjustment strap, part B. Now slide on a medium washer, part E. Then secure the wing knob, part N. Next, thread a 3/8 16 jam nut, part R, onto a 3/8 by 2 inch hex bolt, part H, so about 1 inch of the threads are exposed. Then insert the assembly into the lower kickstand tube from the inside out. Now fully secure it with a 3/8 16 jam nut, part R. Next, repeat for the other side. Now insert an upper kickstand tube, part 2, into each lower kickstand tube. Then insert 2 /20 by 1 1/4 inch hex bolts, part Y. Next, align a wheel brace, part 10, and secure it with 2 /20 nylon hex nuts, part T. Next, repeat for the other side. Then slide 2 large washers part W onto the axle and slide the axle through the wheel braces. Next, secure a washer with a 1/8 by 1.5 inch cotter pin, part X. Now repeat for the other side. Then slide on a large washer, part W, followed by a wheel, part V, followed by a large washer, part W. Then secure the assembly with an 1/8 by 1.5 inch cotter pin, part X. Now repeat for the other side. Note that the handle can be installed in either orientation to accommodate different height users. Then align the handle tube, part 1. Next, secure it with 2/4 by 1.5 inch clevis pins, part D, and 2 3/32 by 1.8 inch hairpins, part I. Then secure a pivot catch, part 4, to the hopper bag frame with a 1/4 20 by 5/8 inch hex bolt, part C, and a 1/4 20 nylock hex nut, part T. Repeat for the other side. Next, align the hopper assembly with the sweeper assembly and secure it by sliding it over the bolts in the lower kickstand tubes.